the cabbage. The next very important operation, that is rogging. For to maintain the genetic purity or physical purity, we do the rogging operation. Rogging means removal of of type of plants which is physically of types or physically dissimilating in character, or removal of pest and disease affected plant. The rogging, first rogging is done at the time of handling the mature head. Before transplanting, at the time of handling of head, the first rogging is done. Then all our type of plant, that is disease or undesirable types, are removed at the time of first rogging. Okay. Then second rogging. In second rogging, second rogging is done before the hair start bursting. Means before this hair start flower stalk emergence. At the time of flower stalk emergence, we do the second rogging operation. The loose leaves, poorly heading plants, and those having a long stem and heavy frame, most by rog out of this stage. Means loose leaves or heavy heavy frame of only leaves are growth, long leaves, long stem, or dissimilar characteristics, or plants are rogue in that stage. Subsequently, rogging for of types disease plants affected by polyloid, black leg, black rot, soft rot, or leaf spot should be done from that to time required. Means second rogging, all the pest and disease plants are removed, or dissimilar character also removed at the time of second rogging. Then field standard, number of time asked the point in a final exam, that is field standards of cabbage. Some important point, that is factor, then foundation stage and certified stage. These are foundation seed stage and certified seed stage. First factor is off types. Off types, we know off types, that is dissimilarity in their characteristic, that is called off type. That is 1%, up to 1% it is required. We kept 1% dissimilarity in a field in for foundation seed, and for certified seed, that is 0.50. Okay. Then other crop plants, none for foundation, none for certified. Objectionable weeds plants, none for foundation and none for certified seed. Then disease plants. Disease plant, that is here star indicate, that is at the flowering and maturity stage. At and after flowering and maturity, only at the time of flowering and after flowering stage the disease are occur, we kept, that is 0.10% for foundation seed and 0.50% for certified seed. These are the field standard for the cabbage. Then some important or major diseases and pests we enlist here. First, that is cutworm pest, then aphid, diamond black moth. Some diseases, that is club rot, leaf spot, leaf blight, ring spot, downy mildew, black rot. These are the major pests in a cabbage crop. The next important point is a harvesting and processing. The harvesting may be done in two lots. We do not harvest whole crop at the same time. We split into two lot. Generally, the early maturity or early mature plants are harvested first when the pods turn into brown color. The pods change their color green to brown. That time we do first harvesting. After harvesting, it is filled up for curing. Means after first or second harvesting, the crop is filled up to curing, means kept in a field or in a shade for drying. That is after 4 to 5 days, it is turned upside down and allowed for further curing of 4 to 5 days. means we dry in a sunlight or in a shade first 4 to 5 days in a one side and then turn into downward side into the upward side of the pots. They change their side and kept another 4 to 5 days. Then whole pots are dry. Then the pots are threshed with pliable sticks or and shifted with a hand shifters. With the help of sticks, between which tips we remove the seeds from the pots and then the seeds are dried to 7% moisture content. Then seeds are kept for sun drying up to 7% moisture content. Then clean and treated with Bovestin at the rate 2 grams per kg of seed for preventing the some diseases, fungal disease. We treat the Bovestin at the rate 2 grams per kg of seed. Then seed yield. Second last point, that is seed yield. On an average, seed is required for or seed is obtained from the cabbage crop. That is, it vary according to the variety or climate or soil types, but on an average is 500 to 650 kg per hectare. The seed is obtained from the cabbage. The last important point is a seed standards, in which factor foundation and certified seed. First factor is a pure seed. Minimum pure seed percentage is for foundation seed is 98% and certified seed is also 98% pure seed present in a one bag of the cabbage. Then inert matter maximum inert matter like dust particles etc up to 2% only in a foundation seed and also certified seed 2%. Other crop seed maximum, that is number per kg, not kg. The number means 1 kg 5 plants of other crop seed only 5 plants are in a foundation seed. Only 5 plants are occur in a 1 kg of seed of cabbage. And also, and for certified seed 10 kg, sorry, 10 plants per kg. Okay. Then total wheat seed maximum number of seed per kg. Oh, here see number of seed per kg means foundation seed 5 seeds, number, that is number 5 seeds, wheat seeds, and per kg here 10 kg number seeds, wheat seed in a 1 kg. The germination percentage minimum up to 70% for foundation and also 70% for certified seed. Minimum germination, not below that, that is below 70%, not below. Then moisture content maximum or not maximum in a normal container, that is 77%, not more than 70% moisture content in a seed in a, for foundation, and same as a certified. Then for FP container, that is vapor pressure container, maximum up to 5% for foundation and 5% for certified seed. This seed standard, it is an important point, number of time asked in an exam. Seed standard, seed yield. Okay, today we discuss fast revision of the coal crop seed production. So first we study we already know botanical name, family, then chromosome number, okay, of the crop. Today we discuss the exercise number 9, the method of seed production of coal crop, in which two important cabbage and cauliflower coal crop, other also, that is broccoli, then Chinese cabbage, then knoll coal, etc. These are also in all that family. But we study the coal crop, cabbage mainly. In cabbage seed production, two important method, that is in situ method and transplanting method. We discuss in situ method, same field crop grow up to harvesting, and in transplanting we grow one field and then are transplanting into the other field. It's called transplanting. In transplanting, the three important methods. First is stump method, second is stump with central core intact method, and third is a head intact method. We discussed all these methods and their advantage and disadvantage. Three important methods of seed production of cabbage crop. Then stages of seed production. Exam asks some important point. I already discussed here the important point. Second important point, stages of seed production. That is bidder, foundation, and certified seed. These are the stages of seed production. Then important variety, early, mid, and late. Okay, early golden acre, mid that is green express, late that is late drum head or Sri Ganesh goal. Sri Ganesh goal important for late, mid green express and early golden acre. Then red cabbage, red acre. Then land preparation we discuss. Isolation distance important point. Isolation distance for cabbage crop for foundation is 1600 meter and for certified seed that is 1000 meter. Okay, we discussed the definition of isolation. Then seed rate for cabbage, early cultivars or early variety 600 gram per 600 gram per hectare, late variety 400 gram per hectare. Then seed treatment to prevent the seed-borne diseases by using Captan, Bavistin, etc. These are the fungicide to prevent the seed-borne diseases. The nursery, you already know the nursery preparation of seedling in a nursery, and they are transplanting after 1 month old. We already know the ideal size of bed, then transplanting into the main field after 1 month old at a proper spacing for late cultivar 60 by 60 centimeter, for medium cultivar 60 by 40 centimeter, and for early cultivar that is 45 by 45 centimeter. Then after transplanting main field manuring, that is well decomposed FIM 50 to 60 tons FIM, then fertilize those are recommended by the university. The next staking operation or staking is important for to prevent the lodging or slanting of the flower inflorescence, upright position kept as it is star, flower star, some flower foliar spray by PGR to improve the yield of crop. Then rogging, we discuss the definition of rogging, removal of types. Then times of rogging, first rogging, second rogging, then field standard. Then some major pests and diseases enlist here: cutworm, aphid, diamond black moth. These are pest important major pest, and then major diseases: club rot, leaf spot, leaf blight, ring spot, downy mildew, black rot. Then second last important point, that is harvesting and processing. Harvesting the first we harvest the cabbage in a two lot. Then after harvesting, the pods are very dry in a sun or in a shade up to 7% moisture. Then they are beating with stiff removal the seeds from their pods, and we clean the seeds and treated with Bavistin at 2 gram per kg of seed to prevent the seed-borne disease, or at the time of increase the storage capacity of the seed. Then seed, last point is a seed standard. We discuss the seed standard, that is pure seed 98%, inert matter 2%, other crop seed that is 5 kg per kg, 5 number seed, other seeds also. Germination percent important, that is 70%, not below that. Moisture content 7 for general container or normal container, and for VP container 5% moisture. These are discussion about the, or we learn about the method of seed production in coal crop. Okay, so today we stop here.